Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you how my hack works for the game Apple of Fortune 1xbet Oculus. My official Telegram channel, my official link Cheat1xbet, group Cheat1xbet looking. My official channel, my links Cheat1xbet, Cheat1xbet group. Okay, now you can see the actual date and time today. Today is 2nd of January 2025. Okay, now open Google and go to the 1xbet website. Okay guys, you can see the official website 1xbet, official link. Yes, refresh page, official website 1xbet. Yes, you can see my balance today. My deposit is on there. $44. Okay guys, now you can see all games 1xbet. Yes, you can see all games. Okay guys, now choose the Apple Fortune game and look up play. Okay guys, look here. Click in the place a bit. Yes, look. Okay guys, with my hack you can see the cells. Yes, you can see the cells and make the right choice. Yes, you can see the apples, and you can see the beaten apple, and make the right next step to win. Look here. Yes, look, you can see the beaten apple and make the right choice. Okay guys, look how it works. Okay guys, look. Okay, now click in the take winnings. Yes guys, I won. Yes, I won. Okay, let's play future. Click in the place a bit. Okay guys, let's play future. Yes, it's worked perfect to here. You can see the beaten apple and make the right choice. Okay guys. Okay. Click in the take winnings. Yes, I won. I won again. Look here. You can see how my balance is increasing. Yes. Okay guys, now click in the withdraw funds and withdraw my winnings. Withdraw my winnings to my video card. Look here. Yes, refresh my balance. Okay guys, now I need to enter my personal information of my card number. Okay, look. Withdrawal amount, yes, status under review. Okay guys, wait a moment. Look here, is a different method to withdraw your winnings. There's different methods. Yes, you can see the website 1xbet. Okay guys, look here, status under review. Okay, wait. Okay, look here, status approved. Yes, my balance and actual date and time today. Okay guys, follow the link in my Telegram. Thanks for watching. See you friends.